Welcome to Hooves Hollow Horse Barn. Today I'm going to take you on a barn tour. First, let's meet the horses. Here in the birth stall we have Copper. Copper is a gelding, which is another name for a boy horse. Moving on, we have Penny and Chip. Baby boy horses are called colts, and Chip is a baby boy horse. We have Emma here grooming the horses also too. And grooming is another word for brushing and cleaning and taking care of the horse. Here in the next stall we have Nellie. Nellie is wearing a horse blanket. She is taking a nap. Did you know horses can sleep even standing up? Here in the last stall we have Lulu. Lulu is a female horse. Another name for a female horse is a mare. We're gonna go outside and meet the other horses in the pasture. This is one of the babies on the barn. She's a girl and her name is Ginger. A girl baby horse is called Philly, and after a couple minutes after they're born, they can walk on their wobbly legs. Over here we have her mama Buttons. She's a girl horse. Riley is feeding Buttons some carrots right now as their morning treat. Horses love carrots, and that helps their body grow too. Over here we have a horse named Sugar. She's a baby, and she's laying down in the shade, taking a look at the mama running around, and the baby and her friends running around too. This is Thunder. Do you remember what you call a baby boy horse? It's a colt. They're running over to Maya. She has a treat too. Thank you for visiting Thunder Hooves Hollow Horse Barn. I'll come back soon. Thanks. Make sure to like and subscribe as videos for more videos like this. Bye.